I'm gonna shoot you.
Yeah. Jumpin', them boys up to something.
Please be advised of the disclaimers. Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. This is Pinnacle Trading here. Ending the week with another green week, ending very strong. Markets made a nice move up. 8 out of 9 winners. Before we get into that, make sure to hit that subscribe button on my YouTube channel and make sure to hit that bell button next to it to stay notified on all my future videos. Make sure to support Pinnacle Trading on our social media. Let's go ahead and jump into the trades that we had. So 8 out of 9 winners this week, guys. So last week we had about 7 out of 7. This week we had a small loss only on SPY, but rest were all winners. So let's go ahead and look into that. So I'm just gonna go through the highlights of them. We traded markets up and down, so it's a very special week for me because played puts. And actually finally won on the puts. Markets came down. Before I played puts here and there, got burnt. Wasn't successful with the puts, but very nice wins playing the markets on the downward. So we had a small MU win to start off, and BABA was a nice 37% profit, and we had MU small win on that, and also had shares on that, and also a January call. And CME was one of the biggest ones that I had this week, 17% profit and $139 on that. And also a few other ones that we had. This is where I started playing, so I took profits today at the open if the markets fell, and I'm going to show you that the chart soon. So very nice profit on this, 16% profit TQQQ put. And next thing, I had 2 of those. I had 3 of these SQQQ call. They're just inverses of each other, so I was really going in big with those puts. Not a big size, but I was going with more contracts than usual. So that was a nice profit on that one. Last thing was the shares that I had out on this. I had 80 shares, and I just took profit on that at the open. It was very nice. And also had MU. Actually made a mistake on this call. I sold it instead of buying it. Amateur mistake, but I actually ended up making money on that one. So that was pretty surprising. That was pretty nice and pretty funny. A lot of people found that really very funny in the chat room. So we had 8 out of 9 winners this week, guys, and very nice and movement up this week in the markets, and we saw that small sell-off on the Friday. So let's go ahead and jump into the charts. Let's look at an S&P 500, look at the yearly charts. So all-time highs at 286.63, all-time highs, guys. It's the all-time highs that's being tested up here. So we had that market crash start in February and followed through, but we're seeing that nice recovery, bounce off the 200 SMA, breaking over 50 SMA, and then every time it hits that, bouncing off. So we're very close to that all-time highs, but recently, this week, I bought my puts and playing downward on the markets around Tuesday close, or I believe Tuesday close or Wednesday open, can't remember, but might have been Tuesday. And I was looking for a markets pullback. Again, they were topping out all right here, topping out, and couldn't break over 286, got rejected, and finally finally saw markets pull back. A lot of people are saying in the chat room, market's going to keep going up, don't bother playing puts, but I played them. I saw some people took them, maybe a couple that took them, and we're very happy with those puts. Very nice profits. I know other people got maybe 40-50% profit as they took it before and got it cheaper than me, but I sold my profit puts at the open, got out of the downside plays right there, and then we saw us picked up some few other plays as well, but we saw a nice bounce back at the close. So you see a lot of volume come in at the end, a lot of close after hours movement upward. So markets are definitely set up for another run before SPY tests 280 support again. So I'm looking for SPY to break out to about 284, 285 next week, top out again, probably get rejected at that 285 resistance, and then pull back. So I'm playing quick reversal on those. So picked up some stuff on the low, and you got to join the membership to make sure to see what I took, and make sure to join that on our website. But that's what I'm looking at in the markets right now. And big thing I was looking at today was BABA. I was looking at it, I was a little hesitant on it, but it just flew up. So very nice close at 180. So very nice movement, close above 180. So I'm looking for this to break over 200 after the earnings that are coming up, and the earnings are on the 23rd. So just about next Thursday on that. So it's 2 weeks from now. Expecting Baba to break over 200 by then after the earnings. And we saw a lot of the fangs and a lot of other stuff in the red. You can see all that's red on my watch list. Only a few stuff that are actually green. And next thing I was watching was MU. I picked up some calls on this one. I went with calls instead because it was very cheap. I gave myself little expiration cushion. I was gonna sell at the 52 resistance break. If it broke over 52, just couldn't. It went all the way up to 51.9. Got rejected off of there. Came back down. Markets came back down. So I just actually added to my call at the end over there. I also picked up Visa, MasterCard, and I'm still holding my Intel shares, and I'm just watching SPY as of right now. So that's pretty much what we had for the week. Very nice, a lot of winners in the week. Played markets up and down. Make sure to grab a membership so you can get those live alerts and also get those nice gains that we had. Only loss that we had was SPY Gamble. Actually closed out of that yesterday at the close, before markets closed. That's just because I didn't break even at the morning. I thought markets would be dropping more, and they bounced back up. Last bounce, so bull trap right there. Watch out for that next time. Last bounce over here, and then we saw markets fall. So I closed out of those for a small loss. It's about $10, $15 loss. Not big compared to the other winners that we had. So small loss on that. But actually today at the low, it was up about 200-300% profit. It would have been triple what I sold it for. So not too worried. Again, got my profits on the downside and the upside in the market. So I'm very happy. Very nice week this week, and looking to continue next week as well. Guys, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell button next to it to stay notified, and make sure to support Pinnacle Trading on all social media. And if you want to receive these live alerts, head over to pinnacletrading.us, and then you can grab a 1 week free trial to see what we're about. Check out the chat room, talk to our members, talk to me, gain an insight of how the chat room runs. If you want to grab a membership, head over to the membership tab, and we also announce new membership plans. You can check them out over here. Saves you money in the long run. But if you want to do a month-to-month plan, we have all of those. The diamond includes one-to-one mentorship access, so we have live one-to-one screen share, and we can do voice chat, and I mentor people on how to do chart analysis, to get started with trading, investing, and so and so. So that includes the one-to-one mentorship access, only $99 per month. So only simply 1 to 2 trades can easily pay for that. So guys, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell button next to it to stay notified. Make sure to support Pinnacle Trading on our social media, and I'll see you all next week. Hope you guys have a wonderful weekend.